Do you really know how to use the Shell Solid tool? Hi, I'm Jonathan Pickup. I've been teaching Vectorworks for over 30 years. One of the things I love to do is to show people how they can use one tool after the other to get the results they want. One of the tools that comes up a lot in 3D modeling is the Shell Solid tool. Now, a lot of people look at this tool and think that it's only good for making like vases or punching a hole in something. The reality is that you can use it on lots of different shapes. You want to make a bath like we used in the last movie, there you are, you can create that. So that's one of the uses for it. But there's also the other use. For example, you might want to make this kind of building. You might want to make this into a Shell Solid, so we're going to give it a wall thickness. Don't forget that you can use the Option or the Alt key to select the underside of this object, because the side you select is the side that's open. So we select that face there, Enter key, and if we have a look, it's actually punched a hole in that object. And then we can use that in conjunction with other things, like the Circle tool, so that we can actually punch skylights in this. There's a skylight, and I can duplicate those to create multiples. So that's one of the things I love to do, is to teach people how to use one tool after the other to create the output that they're really looking for. Back to the Shell Solid tool. Now we know that we can use the Shell Solid tool to make these kinds of holes. Punch these in, but it doesn't go all the way through. You can see there's still a bottom to that. And to get rid of that bottom, you'd have to push that all the way down. We could use the push-pull tool, I guess, to do that. But what about this NURBS surface? How can we use the Shell Solid tool on this NURBS surface? Now, I got in trouble with Vectorworks for saying that I think this is like a 3D extrusion. They disagreed with me, but I still think it feels like the ability to extrude 3D shapes. So I've got a 250mm Shell Solid here, and I can select this NURBS curve, this NURBS surface, enter, and it just makes a thickness to that. To me, that feels like a 3D extrusion. Now you can choose to have that on the inside or the outside, which to me is a really cool technique. If you've got this 3D shape, we can use the NURBS tools to create the 3D shape and then use the Shell Solid tool to give it the thickness we need for structural reasons. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this movie. I love all this 3D modeling in Vectorworks. And if you want to see more of this, if you want to join my 3D modeling class, then join my community. I'll put the link in the description. Hey, thanks for watching.